Hey everybody, it's Kerry from Bab Speed Warehouse. How you doing? So a lot of people ask us about doing earrings, that they want to do earrings. So here it is. We have a bunch of 8mm beads. It's hard to do this behind the camera, but check out this. This is the 8mm bead put into this earring. Now this is like an ice tongue. So you can see it like this, and you take a pliers and you just open it up a little bit until one side of the hole fits in there, and then you could push it around to the other side. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. But it's a really cool looking earring, sterling silver, not expensive. So let's show you a little bit closer. So what we want to do is we want to adjust this. Let me zoom in. Not easy to do this through the phone. And we want to find the hole. I've opened these up a little bit. I'll show you how easy that is to do. You just open, close. I like a round nose pliers for this. All right, now let's go and find the hole. There's the hole. All right, it's too close right now. This is perfect. We're going to adjust it open a little bit more. I'm kind of going up into the curve to adjust it. I'm going up in this area, not all the way down here. Let's take a look at this again and find the hole. Now the hole has to be bigger than 0.75mm, which is what the wire size is. And most of our holes, there's the hole right there, are that big. And that is just big enough. Now let's find the other hole. And let's kind of I gotta focus this, I can't see. Is that the hole? Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, that looks like that's not a hole. Maybe I should have picked a stone that I could find the hole and not a dark stone. That's a hole. And that's a hole. You hear it snap? There we go. And then we could squeeze these together. Let me zoom out. I found the hole. And there you go. You can squeeze them a little better if you want to. That's pretty good right there. This will work on 6 and 8mm. So easily make some earrings. They're sterling silver. They're not expensive. They're simple to use. And we've got a few of them in stock. I think we've got, let's see, 19 pairs in stock. We had 20 pairs, but I made these out of them. So click on the link if you want to order. You'll have a great day.